1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car. Champagne poly in color. Of course, the half vinyl roof, as you can see back there. Underneath the hood, 460 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. Of course, the iconic Lincoln grill. Take a look at the chrome bumper, chrome grill condition on this one. Believed to be original miles, a little over 16,000 miles, 16.5 something. We'll check that out here when we get around to the driver's side. And judging by the condition of the interior, the underside, the engine bay, definitely appears to be an original model car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the length of this car. You can see how nice and straight that car is. Paint condition is definitely presentable on this one. Want to have fun just cruising or any of your local shows, roll-ins. Interior, of course, plush leather interior. Also in a neutral tone. Very stock dash, radio, climate control. And take a look at the condition of this vinyl top. Not discolored, weathered, aged. Also very presentable. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome rear bumper, tail lights, a little bit of imperfection right there in the deck lid. Of course, this car will be equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC compressor does kick on and off. Technician said it blew cool. I believe it was at 55 degrees, he believed. I think it was. So it may need a charge a little colder. Other than that, drove down the road very nicely for him. And look up and down the length of this driver's side too, how straight that is. Again, condition of the paint. All right, let's go ahead and slip into the back seat here and let's check this out. So again, leather condition, very nice, missing that one center button on the upholstery. And let's take a little peek at the front. Original door cards or door panels. Of course, all your controls for windows, seats, mirror, locks. I do have pictures with the floor mats out too, so you can see the original carpeting and the condition of that, and with the still pictures. And then take a look at that seat. Not much wear on that at all, considering this is a 1978, which once again, believed to be original miles. And there's what the miles read, 16,552. Let's go ahead and fire this up. A couple things I want to show you. Fuel gauge works, first of all, right there. We have an AM, FM. Look at that, 8-track player. Of course, climate control down here. Power antenna. We're going to slide that up. Here's the power antenna motor running back there. And then you're also going to notice
but it could be that I'm just
radio does work.
A couple seconds before.
And the other thing I want to do is I'm going to turn on the lights here. So make sure those headlight doors work. And we're going to check out these coach lights on the B-pillars. Everybody always asks about those to see if those work too. And hey, look at this. Coach lights work. Headlight doors appear to be working. And then on this side, check that coach light. Coach light working on both sides. Perfect. Slip around to the back so you hear this run also. Check out the tail lights. And then you can see the power antenna. Switch does work. Sounds as you would expect. Alright, let's pause this a second, take a quick peek at that engine bay. You gotta see how clean this is. And let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Automatic choke shut off. Down in regular idle. Is opening the hood. It has had aluminum radiator added. Original replaced, but take a look at the markings on this engine. And then just look at how clean and original this engine bay is. Smooth runner, a lot of miles left in this one. No doubt about it. There's a battery disconnect, by the way. And there's a shot of it running and a good look underneath the hood. 1978 Lincoln Continental town car, believed to be original miles, a little over 16,000 on it. This is a nice one, folks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.